Mathematics exercise number 2.2. This is the third class of this exercise, that means part 3 and chapter whole numbers. Now today we will start from math number 5. Has said a taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. So on Monday he filled 40 liters of petrol, and the next day he filled the tank with 50 liters of petrol. So next day he filled 50 liters of petrol. So if the petrol cost is 44 per liter, how much did he spend in all on petrol? So first we find the total petrol that he filled. So total petrol filled by him, that is on Monday this is 40 liters and next day this is 50 liters. So total petrol, that is 40 plus 50, so we get 90 liter. Now here given cost of 1 liter of petrol is rupees 44. Now we find cost of 90 liter of petrol. So cost of 1 liter is 44. Now cost of 90 liter is, so we should multiply this by 90. Now we get 44 into 90, that means this 3960. This is the total cost. And this is the required answer. Now next number 6. That said, a vendor supplies 32 liters of milk to a hotel in the morning. So in the morning he supplies 32 liters of milk. And next 68 liters of milk in the evening. So in the evening he supplies 68 liters of milk. So first we find total milk that he supplies. So total milk is equals to, in the morning he supplies 32 liters and evening he supplies 68 liters. So total is 100 liters. This is the total milk. Now here given the cost of milk per liter is rupees 15. So cost of 1 liter of milk is rupees 15. Now we find cost of 100 liter of milk. So cost of 100 liter of milk is equals to 100 into 15. 100 into 15, I get rupees 1500. This is the total cost of milk. So your question is, how much money is due to the vendor per day? So this answer is 1500. Now next number 7. Here given 3 statement. Suppose number 1, 425 into 136 This is equals to 425 into 6 plus 30 plus 100. Next, number 2 is 2 into 49 into 50. This is 2 into 50 into 49. Next is 80 plus 2005 plus 20. This is equals to 80 plus 20 plus 2005. Now, here given three options. Number A, commutativity under multiplication, commutativity under addition, and number C is distributivity of multiplication over addition. Now, first suppose given A plus B plus C. We know that addition this follows commutative property. So, we write this by A plus C plus B. That means here number 3 is 80 plus 2005 plus 20. This is equals to 80 plus 20 plus 2005. So, this is alternate. Now, this is called commutativity under addition. This is commutative property of addition. So, number 3 is number B. This is number B. Commutativity under addition. This will be number B. And we find what is number 2. Here given 2 into 49 into 50. This is, and here is 2 into 50 into 49. These are equals. So, just alternate two numbers. This is called, this is similar as this. So, this is called commutativity under multiplication. So, this is option . This is option A. This is called commutativity under multiplication. And now this is here 136. This is written as 100 plus 30 plus 6. And then multiplication for 425. So this is called commutativity. So distributivity of multiplication over addition. That means distribute this multiplication by 3 phase. This and this. So distributive of multiplication over addition. So this is number C. Now exercise 2.2 already done. So next day we will start from the next exercise. That means exercise number 2.3. So thank you.